guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my shower routine. And one thing that always bugs me is how long my showers are. I know this annoys my boyfriend too, but I have so many steps to my shower routine and I kind of wanted to simplify it these days. And lately I wanted to simplify my shower routine, and what better way to do that than to simplify the products that you use. So for today's video I'm going to be sharing you guys how I simplified my shower routine, and yeah, let's get into this video. So I teamed up with Vitacoin Natural Soaps to share this video with you guys. So this is the product that I started using with my shower routine, and this is a full line of soaps. Everything from shampoo soap to face soap as well as body soap. So this is amazing. It's so compact. It's gonna be perfect for my shower. This is their packaging. It's really cool, and as you can see down here, it has a list of all the different soaps that are included in here. So I'm just gonna come in close and share with you guys the packaging because I think it's really cool. Like so. So this is their Forest Eden Vitacoin soap, and it's clean, herbal, premium, chic, nourishing, and fresh. So I've had a chance to test out all of these for you, so I'm gonna do a step-by-step routine and show you guys the great benefits of these soaps and what they do, because each soap has a different purpose. So in here you get 11 soaps, and it comes out like so. So I'm gonna come in close so you guys can see the packaging. It's very cool. And immediately, I think this is something that would be great for a gift, whether it's a birthday or Christmas gift. This is like a really cute gift that's colorful, it's fun to give, and I think that someone would really like to test out all of these. So as you can see, each color has a different purpose. So in the packaging, you will also get a little booklet, and in here it will tell you the uses of each of the products. So I'm going to show you guys each of these soaps and kind of what their purposes are. So right off the bat, the first thing that I noticed is the smell. The smell is very kind of herbal, fresh, and clean. So the other is the size. The size is on the smaller size, but this is really cute for travel. So I'm just going to take them out one by one and talk to you guys about them, and I'm also going to share with you guys how I use this, what the results are, so forth. So the first one I'm reviewing is this little blue one, and this one is the Scalp Care Shampoo Bar. Peppermint releases a refreshing scent and henna extracts. So this one is a Scalp Care Shampoo Bar, and it is a peppermint scent. Peppermint releases a refreshing scent and henna extracts cleans your scalp thoroughly for strong, healthy hair. So this is one you'd use for your head, and simply you just kind of like any shampoo bar, you just scrub it into your head until you have enough product on your head, and then you would fully, wash your hair. So this one does smell like peppermint and henna, which is really kind of fresh and really nice for your hair. I'm someone who loves to have my hair smell great, so this is fantastic. And I also wanted to mention that on the back of the soaps, it says what it is used for. So this one says hair. It will also say body or face. So it's just kind of a good way to, know what part of the body it's supposed to be used on. So the next one is another hair one. So I'm gonna come in close. This is the pink one. And this is a Hair Shine Shampoo Bar. It has a black cherry scent. Cherry seed oil and Camellia japonica seed oil nourish your hair, leaving it healthy and shiny. So this has really great benefits to it. It's going to moisturize your hair with the oil and just overall make it look healthy and shiny. So this is definitely a great one to have once in a while when your hair needs to, a little replenish and nourishment to the hair. So the next one, this is one of my favorites. This is a face one, and it is this really cute baby pink color. You guys know I love baby pink. So this one is a mild facial soap for sensitive skin. It has a strawberry scent. Its strawberry and milk extract make the soap mild enough for sensitive skin and protect your skin from any skin irritation. So you guys know I always talk about how I have sensitive skin. So this is my favorite that I've been using lately. It's really nice just to, use in the morning and in evenings when I just want a simple, clean face. This is what I go to. So the next one is another face soap, and this is a really cool orange. This is an exfoliating pore cleanser facial soap. It has a grapefruit scent. Apricot seed oils remove dead skin cells effectively and clean the pores, refreshing your skin. So this is something that I use when I want to exfoliate my skin. This is something that I wouldn't use on the regular basis, maybe once or twice a week. When I really want to get rid of any oil in my skin, anything like that, this is great for breakout, stuff like that. So the next one I have is this white color, and this is another face soap. And this one is a deep moisturizer facial soap. It has mango and guava scent. It's coconut oil, a natural moisturizer, protects your skin from inflammation and dryness. So this one is specifically great for dry skin. Right now, you know, the weather, it's still kind of rainy and gloomy, stuff like that. So definitely want to add a moisturizing cleanser to your routine to make sure that you don't over dry your skin with other soaps or cleansers and stuff like that. So this is really going to bring the moisture back into your skin, hydrate your skin so you feel healthy and glowing. We have another face soap. This is the dark blue face soap, and this one is a rich cleansing facial soap. It has blueberry scent. Hemp seed oil and blueberry extract help deep cleansing while moisturizing your skin. So this is another moisturizing face soap that I really enjoy using. It has hemp seed oil in here, which is going to help moisturize your skin, hydrated, reduce, you know, your aging time, stuff like that. Another face soap. You guys might be wondering, how many face soaps can you have, right? Well, not all face soaps are the same. They have different purposes, stuff like that. So this one is their brown face soap, and this one is an antimicrobial high nutrient facial soap. It has cacao and granola powder, have high nutrient and a powerful antimicrobial effect that refreshes your skin and that recovers its immunity. So this one is really a unique soap. This one's going to really just kind of put back in the nutrients into your face and make sure that it has all the nutrients to, you know, continue producing skin cells, being healthy, stuff like that. So this one again is something that you could use once a week and not an everyday soap. Next one, we have a black soap. Very cool, and no, it does not come up black on your face. All of these soaps don't have a color transfer or anything like that. It's strictly for the packaging, so you know what soap does what. And this is their pore cleansing facial soap. It has a lavender scent. Black currant and charcoal powder penetrate your skin and eliminate stubborn waste. So this is one of my favorites. If you know anything about charcoal, it's actually really good to detoxify your skin. You can drink it. You can also put it on your face. There's charcoal masks and charcoal soaps. So this is really good, again, to detoxify your pores, etc. So here we have this lovely little yellow one, like so. And this is an exfoliating body soap. It has a banana scent. Banana powder and red bean powder softens and scrubs off dead skin cells, leaving your skin soft and smooth. So again, just like you would exfoliate your face, you also need to exfoliate your body, and I try to do this once or twice a week. My skin tends to kind of break out. I have sensitive skin, like I told you, so that means that I need to exfoliate my skin once in a while just to kind of get rid of any excess oil, dirt on your skin. The second to last, this is another body soap. So this is their Troubled Skin Soothing Body Soap, and it has green tea scent. Green tea, moringa, and microbial effects that prevent skin troubles and revitalize your skin with many nutrients. So this is something for people who have a little bit of acne, a little bit of breakouts, stuff like that. This is going to kind of help balance that out. It's going to soothe out any redness, anything like that, tone your skin. So the last product is their purple body soap. As you can see right here, it's this beautiful kind of lavender color. And this is their deodorant body soap. It has green grape scent, tannin from the grape elements, waste and odors from your skin. So this one specifically is a deodorant soap. So if you're someone who, you know, struggles with your body odor, anything like that, and you've tried a ton of different soaps and they do not work, definitely give this a try. This is specifically great for under the arms or anywhere where you have a little bit more body odor, stuff like that. This will help kind of refreshen your whole body, and overall when you get out of the shower, you're gonna smell great. So again, there are 3 different types of uses with these soaps. Again, your face, your body, and your hair. And I really like the beautiful soap design. I think it's really cute and innovative. Most importantly, it's great for the skin. That's great. There's all natural ingredients. And when you put stuff on your face, it's really important that you're putting ingredients that are good for your skin, that won't make you break out, stuff like that. So if you're interested in testing out any of Forest Eden's body soaps, definitely check out the link in my description box. You can check out their products at foresteden.com. I'll leave all the information in my description box below. And I also want to mention that all of these soaps have natural ingredients. So some of the ingredients include charcoal, which is great for exfoliating, for skin soothing. Also there's tourmaline in here, which is great for exfoliating and aiding skin metabolisms. There's basil, which is an antimicrobial effect, and it has skin refreshing and soothing benefits. There's also shea butter, which is great for moisturizing and also skin repairing. There's camellia oil, which is going to relieve any troubling skin. The next one is sunflower seed oil, and this is going to help soothe your skin. There's coconut oil, which also has an antimicrobial effect. There's castor oil, which has an anti-inflammatory effect, which is great for redness, stuff like that. There's also olive oil in these soaps, and this is great again for moisturizing. So those are the ingredients that are listed in these soaps. Again, all of those are ingredients that I know of, that I cook with, that I've heard of before. You know, there's no harsh chemicals, stuff like that. Everything's natural and organic. So I really wanted to highlight the importance of their natural ingredients. So one thing I want to mention is all of these soaps are handmade. They are of the highest standard, and what I like is that there is a variety of different soaps that you can try and see which one is best for your skin type. And like I mentioned before, there's no bad chemicals, anything like that, and they've really invested many years into, you know, researching and developing these soaps and making sure that they are to the highest standard for their customers. I like that they are, you know, environmentally responsible about their brands and the products they produce, and using only natural ingredients that are good for the environment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, all the information will be left down below. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!